Wow, what an absolutely fantastic experience it's been. The Enlighten Festival in Accrington Town Centre. All these huge scale immersive art installations all over the town for free for people to enjoy. It has been wonderful to see our heritage buildings transformed and reimagined by artists. Located inside the Accrington Town Hall Ballroom, an imaginative story of dragons and fire from the UK leading projection artists, Illuminos. Market Chambers community space came alive with an immersive and interactive glow-in-the-dark experience created by the people of Hyndburn, glowing and growing by artists Lou Baker and Oliver Bliss. The Victorian Arcade premiered a new commission for Enlighten, Lamplight, produced by artists House of Light. The illuminated walk through the beautiful arcade recreated the colours inside a Tiffany glass lamp. At St James's Church, an immersive projection, sound and laser installation by award-winning digital artist and composer Paul Alty. Outdoors in the church grounds, the huge inflatable artwork, Network, by artist Gemma Wood, replicates human brain activity. And we were delighted to showcase the newly revitalised Accrington Pals Memorial Garden, a new sculpture by artist John Everis on Church Street. Accrington Library hosted Gemma Wood's Sensorium installation of light and sound, which looks at and examines the brain's neurons. We enjoyed live music performed by UK artist Subraya Nagarajan and spoken word poetry performance by local children from St Andrews CE Primary School, Hyndburn Park Primary School and Woodnook Primary School. I couldn't resist getting involved in that one. Enlighten launched Accrington's augmented reality heritage walking trail, which enabled visitors to easily explore the history of Accrington through their mobile phones. It has been fabulous to see so many people visiting the town centre, enjoying the cultural event and being part of our vision to grow a creative, inspiring and welcoming town at the heart of Hyndburn Borough. Thank you to everyone who's made this massive community event in Accrington Town Centre something to remember for the rest of their lives.